Alright, Coop. We're documenting your eating habits. Ready? Good boy. Prunes and oatmeal. Alright. How you feeling about that? You gotta look at me. Look at me. Ooh, not so crazy about just the oatmeal, are you? Come on. Open up. It's delicious prunes. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Let's have some prunes. There we go. Oh no, I didn't like that one. Alright, how about just some straight prunes there? Straight prunes. You like that? So you sound like a seal. You sound like a seal. Sadie, do you want to say hi to Grandpa? Alright, bud. Let's do it. Here we go. We got some big prunes. Yummy. Good one. Another bite? Another bite? Good job.